Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I have this really good Walgreens deal going on all week. This deal is going to end on Saturday. I'll put the date down on the bottom. This was my first time using those 5 off of 10s and 5 off of $15. And I'm here to show you the whole breakdown of how you use them and what I ended up getting. So let me show you real quick. Let's get started. So as you all know from my last stockpile video, that's right, I've only been doing couponing now for 3 or 4 months and have been bringing you guys along on the journey. And we have this totally covered, right guys? So I ended up finally being able to attempt at using those 5 off of $10 and 5 off of $15. I didn't even know Walgreens ever released those things. If you're curious to find out where you find them, you're going to go on the Walgreens app or desktop is what I ended up using. You're going to go in that category section and it's going to be the ones that say household. You're going to go ahead and click on that and you're going to find those 5,000 points off of 20 or 5 off of $10 purchase or a $5 off of a $15 purchase. So they are in your household category tab in Walgreens app or desktop. So I ended up grabbing, first and foremost, always make sure that you grab your weekly ads. Grab your weekly ad and always grab this little coupon book that is at the entrance of Walgreens. It's filled with all of their store coupons in case that way you can learn which ones are their store coupons and which ones are manufacturers, because you could use one of each per product. Remember that. So let me explain. So I ended up grabbing this Colgate. The Colgate this week is on sale for $3.99. There are totally different versions that you could choose from, a ton of them. You're just going to make sure that you grab the ones that has this little yellow tag on it. And the reason for that is because when you buy 2 Colgate, very specific Colgate products this week, as long as it has that yellow tag, you will get $4 back in register rewards. That's right. So I ended up grabbing this Colgate right here. So this was $3.99, but there is a $1 off digital coupon on their free Walgreens mobile app or desktop. So go ahead and clip that $1 off digital coupon. And that's right, it's as if you're getting this for $2.99. So stick with me and I'm gonna show you how to get that discount at the end. Same thing for the mouthwash. It's a bigger bang for your buck if you grab one of each. So I grabbed 1 toothpaste and 1 mouthwash. The mouthwash was also on sale for $3.99. You could choose all different varieties again. Just make sure you pick the ones that has that yellow tags that says you will get back $4 in register rewards for buying 2 of the qualifying Colgate products. So I ended up grabbing this one. You're going to grab that at $3.99, clip that $1 off Colgate mouthwash discount or coupon. And that's right, clip that to your free Walgreens mobile app. And there you go. So because you're going to end up purchasing these 2 at $3.99, $3.99, $1 off, $1 off, it'll be $2.99 each. And you're also going to get back a $4 register reward, or what I like to call paper money. They come off as manufacturer coupons and they come right out of the register when you cash out. So let's move on. They also have the fruit teas this week is also on sale. Actually, I have it right here on my weekly ad. See, is on sale for $2.99 with your card. Again, that's just using your phone number or your Walgreens card, which is totally free. Walgreens phone number attached to the account. And there is a $1 off digital coupon. So there are different products you could choose from. This product is one I grabbed at $2.99. You're going to clip that $1 off digital coupon. And that's right, it's as if you're going to get that for $1.99. But like I was saying earlier, there is a coupon in here that's also for $1 off. So make sure that you grab this and you could scan it that way, but it's also on the mobile app. You could clip that $1 off store coupon, even though it doesn't say store, but you would know because it's in here. So clip that $1 off store coupon and the $1 off manufacturer. So again, you should have 2 digital coupons clipped on that one, or 1 and 1 in here. Got it? All right, let's move on. So here is the Scott tissue. You know, pretty much every coupon video, if I could grab some toilet paper, I'm going to grab toilet paper. So the Scott is originally $5, as you see there. And again, inside this little booklet or on your free mobile app for Walgreens, there is a digital coupon for $1 off and 25 cents digital coupon when you buy a Scott. And that also counts for the paper towels and I believe Kleenex also. So make sure you check your ad. So you're gonna grab this product, clip that $1.25 off digital coupon, and there you go. So these are the items. Should be 4 items you're going to have before heading to the register. So just make sure that you only have clipped those very specific product coupons and wait until you're about to walk over to the register to clip only one. For example, this one would be the 5 off of $10. That way it doesn't mess anything up. Just clip that 5 off of $10 with their respected manufacturer coupons or store coupons per those products. So the Colgate is up there on the top for $3.99. The mouthwash is there for $3.99. Fructis says $2.99 minus where that arrow is $1 for our store coupon, the one in the little booklet. Here is minus $1.25 for the Scott tissue, also a store coupon from the booklet. And then there it is. So all of these discounts, here's also the $1 off of Colgate mouthwash and Colgate toothpaste. An extra $1, see that? There's two $1 for Fructis because one was a manufacturer. And then once all of these coupons come off, it calculates the price down and then it will qualify for the 5 off of 10. So here's my subtotal. Came out to $5.72, which is amazing. So that 5 off of 10 did work and that's really good. So look, I got all of this for $5.72. And remember, I got $4 back in register rewards that look like this for purchasing both Colgate products. So it's really as if I only paid $1.72 for all of these items. I really hope that makes sense, guys. And I'm gonna show you my next purchase now. I just wanted to show you guys the breakdown in case it makes more sense for you all written out. Here is a screenshot in case you want to come back and figure it out as to why it came out to that total. I just pretty much put it all written out in a written out form for you all. That way maybe it comes out with more clarity. So you can always come back to this and study it and see if maybe it makes more sense to you when it's written out like this. All right, let's move on. So here is the next purchase. So you could use those $4 register rewards any which way you want. I ended up using it towards these items, and I know what you're thinking. Are you dyeing your hair blonde? No, I'm not dyeing my hair blonde. My mom actually dyes her hair. I don't dye my hair anymore. I used to in my teenage years, but I ended up getting the $4 register rewards for the Colgate, and I really like using it for my mom's hair dye because for you ladies that dye your hair, you know how expensive these things are. These things are very pricey. So whenever I see a coupon for the L'Oreal Preference or the L'Oreal Excellence, I take advantage and try to stack it with some kind of register reward to use for the purchase. So this is why I ended up getting, but you could mix it any which way you want. Again, I just got it because my mom wants some hair dye. Here is the items that I ended up getting, and let me give you the breakdown. So the paper products, their brand, the Walgreens brand or the Nice brand is the other one. They are buy one, get one free this week. So I ended up grabbing 2 of them, and there's different options to choose from. So those are buy one, get one free without a coupon. You just need to enter your phone number at the register to get your discount. The all this week is on sale. It's originally $2.99 on sale, but there is a $1 off digital coupon. So you're going to grab this item, clip that $1 off digital coupon, and you got it. That'll come out to $1. All right, the L'Oreal Preference, which was the whole purpose of all of this. My entire purchase was revolved around this. So these are 2 for $17 with this week, which is why I got 2 of them. But there is a $5 off digital coupon when you purchase 2 of them, which would drop down the price for 2 for $12. And then last but not least, I got this because like I said, you have to make sure that your total, because I wanted to use that 5 off of 15. For me to be able to use that, the $15 subtotal had to be met at the register after every kind of discount, coupon, and sale price came off. That makes sense? So make sure all of your coupons are taken off, and the total amount with all coupons taken off total out to $15. That includes that register reward at $4 from all of that. Here's the receipt, and I just did this last night. There is the paper plates, $3.49. That second one came out to $0 where that arrow is, because they're buy one get one free. The all detergent is $2.99 before the discounts. Discounts are down here, I'll show you. Here's the hair dye, $17 for the two of them. And then I ended up getting this bad boy, not only because I needed a couple more, like $1 and change more, but also because we've been dying to set up a medical kit for the vehicle on emergency, because we have a big plan of a road trip in store. So the girls are going to have like an emergency kit in the car just in case. And all right, here are all the discounts. So that $5 off of the hair dye came off where it says preference. The $1 off for the all detergent came off. That's that $4 register reward where I put that RR. That came off. And then on the top, the big boy, the one that I really wanted to use, that 5 off of $15. So again, that total had to come out to $15 with all these sale items before I could use that 5 off of 15. That makes sense? I really hope that makes sense. So here's my subtotal, came out to $10.07, and then Florida state tax, of course I had to pay that. And there you go, that came out to a total of $10.07. And again, here is the breakdown for anyone who has to see it written out. So there you go, paper products. Here are the all detergents, hair dyes. So here's my subtotal before all of those discounts came off. See that? And then here's with the coupons is that $19.07 is with those two manufacturer coupons. So it would have come out to $19.07, but then minus the $4 register reward brought it down to $15.07, minus that 5 off of 15. So you see how everything had to add up to 15 with the discounts before I could take off the 5 off of 15. And then it dropped down to 10. So just expect if you have one of those 5 off of 15s or one of those 5 off of 10s, expect your subtotal to come out to $10 or $15 after all coupons have been taken off. So no matter what, expect to pay $5 and change or $10 and change. And the reason I did not bother doing the 5,000 points for the 20 is because I'd rather honestly get the discount right away than use it later, because I would have ended up spending $20 regardless and gotten $5 worth of points for later to use. And I really wasn't interested in that. I'd rather just get the discount up front. This was kind of like a whole new ball game for me. I'm really used to, you all know, as Family Dollar. Family Dollar, my store anyway, still allows all the discounts and stuff to come off after that $5 off of 25, and so does Dollar General. Walgreens doesn't. my Walgreens was not that way at all. Again, it was my first time using it, and the cashier was so sweet. Honestly, she was with me and Alan, and she was like, no, I'm trying to get it to come off, but it just wouldn't. The register wouldn't do it no matter what. Not that I was trying to rig the system, not at all. I was just making sure that that's for sure the only way that the register would get it to work, and it was. But regardless, it kind of worked out because they make you just go grab more items, and it's like, okay, well, I'm just gonna grab more items. Okay, I'm still not there, I need more items. So it just feels like you're getting a ton of free stuff. And honestly, this first purchase at $5 and change, with giving you $4 back in register rewards, guys, $1.72 or such for all of that. Just the toilet paper being $5, it's an amazing deal. So I'm glad I started getting my feet more wet, or that they introduced me to those 5 off of 10s that I didn't know about. And if you're like me, maybe you've always been nervous, or Walgreens has never worked out for you, or again, you're new to it like me, and you just never used them. You didn't even know they existed. So that was my first time, and I think it went really well. So regardless if it says 5 off of $10, just expect to pay $5 and change, or if it says $5 off of $15, then expect to pay $10 and change. So just make sure your whole total totals out to those X amount of dollars. And like I said, do not clip them until you're ready to actually use that specific coupon, because I didn't want it to grab like a different coupon and mess up my stuff. So just clip by transaction. that's the best tip I could give to you all. Sorry this was a talker. This was definitely a talker of a video. I just wanted to try to get it as clear as possible for you all, being that I just figured it out and just did it for a first time. So yeah, I normally just go in for like very specific items, but this was my first time doing like a generic store coupon like that. That wasn't just a register reward. So I hope it makes sense. And thank you guys all for watching. Let me know if you're going to do this deal. I'd love to know. Thank you for everyone who watched the live streams. I did a bunch of live streams this week. I think like 2 or 3 of them. So yeah guys, don't forget we upload new videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe down below. Turn on that notification bell so you get notified when we upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Plus bonus videos like those live streams. And yeah guys, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, there's no one else's and they're uniquely yours. Bye guys.